cleavage knot. Cleavage, so start by going over, come around and create an X, go under the X, creating two rivers flowing in the opposite directions with the bridge, and then lock. Ball knot. So first create an overhand loop, bitter end up to the hole, up around the tree, back down through the hole, pull tight. Timber hitch knot. Step 1, wrap around and cross, come back and go under, wrap around, and pull tight. So guys, itong timber hitch kadalasan ginagamit ito sa mooring operation. So bakit timber hitch? Kasi madali siyang tanggalin kumpara sa club hitch. Kasi once na itong messenger line na ito, halimbawa ito yung messenger line ng galing sa port, tapos ito yung ating mooring line, ito yung naka-bow line. Once na hinila yan ng shore, hinila ng kanilang capstan, titigas yan. So para matanggal nila ng mabilisan, dahil sa mooring kailangan mabilis ang galaw. So ang tali mo dapat madali siyang tanggalin, kasi pag ang club hitch tumisa, napakahirap na yung tanggalin. Unlike sa timber hitch, luluwagan mo lang itong loop na ito, luluwagan mo lang yan at matatanggal mo na siya, diba? So yun lamang guys, maraming salamat po.